Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Robinhood versus Kraken. Robinhood is well known for its commission-free trading of stocks and a select few cryptocurrencies, making it very accessible for beginners. Kraken, on the other hand, caters to more experienced crypto traders, offering a vast array of digital assets and advanced trading tools. Both platforms are committed to securing your investments with robust safety measures. When looking at features, Robinhood provides access to stocks, ETFs, options, and a limited selection of popular cryptocurrencies. Kraken truly shines in the crypto space, listing over 200 different cryptocurrencies. It also offers advanced features like staking rewards, allowing you to earn passive income, and futures trading for more sophisticated strategies. Regarding fees, Robinhood generally offers zero commission on most trades, which is a major draw for many users. Kraken employs a transparent, tiered fee structure that typically decreases with higher trading volumes. For user experience, Robinhood is celebrated for its incredibly simple and intuitive interface, while Kraken provides a more comprehensive, feature-rich environment for serious traders. Both Robinhood and Kraken prioritize the security of your assets, implementing strong encryption and two-factor authentication. Kraken also stands out with its dedicated 24/7 customer support, ensuring help is always available when you need it. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Choosing between them depends on whether you prefer simplicity or advanced crypto trading capabilities.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.